Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. World champion Omar McLeod and the joint national record holder Elaine Thompson headlined the list of nominees for the 2017 RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Woman of the Year Awards. The launch was held at the Jamaica Pegasus on Thursday.
National record holder Omar McLeod, who crowned a brilliant 2017 by capturing the sprint hurdles title at the London World Championships, heads the list of 7 males nominated for the National Sportsman of the Year award. In what was a stellar year for McLeod, he also produced 7 of the 8 fastest times in the world for his event. Retired legendary sprinter Usain Bolt, who closed his career with a bronze in the 100 meters at the London World Championships, is the other nominee from track and field. The list includes 3 cricketers, Chris Gale, Chadwick Walton and Nikita Miller, Reggae Boys captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake, and national squash champion Chris Binney. Only a mere 3 candidates have made the female list, with World Championships 400-meter hurdles bronze medalist Ristonana Tracy, joint 100-meter national record holder Elaine Thompson, and the island's top swimmer Alia Atkinson being the nominees. Chairman of the selection committee, Mike Fennell, explained the rationale behind the small number of female nominees.
We're still looking to see if others could be included because, 3 is a bit thin. But when you think of the performances in 2017 and the criteria that we use, because you started the world level coming down, we feel that we must maintain certain standards with it.
Meanwhile, representatives from 5 national sporting associations questioned the omission of nominees from the disciplines of netball, rugby, badminton, golf and chess. Fennell was asked if this could be interpreted as an oversight on the part of the selection committee.
I don't think so. I believe they need to look at the awards because there are different awards that cover those areas. Netball made an impassioned play about their goal scorer, etc. and so on. And we look at it again because we're not a closed shop. We will look at it again. But those who said that teams did well and so on, there are provisions for special awards for teams, relays and other teams, etc., who have done well. So they must look at the awards spread and the various categories that are there, as distinct from the sportsman and sportswoman of the year.
Chairman of the RGR Gleaner Sports Foundation, Gary Allen, says preparations are in high gear for the awards function.
I think that we're going to have an interesting guest speaker and an interesting topic that we will disclose later on. I mean, within sport and within the development of sport and where we have to look at how we go forward. So that's interesting. And the team behind the scenes now has to go through crunching all of the information. The public has their contribution to make in terms of the People's Choice Award, and we have put that out there, the 5 selections this year, and we'll see how the voting goes on that.
The RGR Gleaner Communications Group is into its 11th year of involvement with the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards. Meanwhile, Reggae Boys goalkeeper Andre Blake, defender Kemar Lawrence, sprint hurdler Omar McLeod, boxer Kemal Hitman Russell, and fast bowler Shane Thomas have been nominated for the People's Choice Performance of the Year award to be voted on by members of the public. The 56th annual National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards function is set for Friday, January 19 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.